Hey beautiful people, welcome back to Fab Lunch, where we make healthy eating easy and delicious. Today we're diving into the world of juicing with my top 5 healthy juice recipes. Whether you're a seasoned juicing pro or just starting out, these recipes are easy to follow and will help you feel your best. Now let's get juicing. First up, we have an invigorating green juice that's like a salad in a glass, but way more fun to consume. This vibrant green juice is packed with leafy greens like spinach and kale, which are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Don't worry, we'll add some green apple and a squeeze of lemon for a touch of sweetness and to balance out the flavors. It's incredibly refreshing and will give you an energy boost that lasts. If you prefer a sweeter juice, add more apple or a touch of honey. Next, let's make a vibrant beetroot juice that's not only delicious, but also incredibly detoxifying. This juice is perfect for anyone looking to boost their energy levels and cleanse their body naturally. Beetroot is a nutritional powerhouse, known for its ability to cleanse the liver and support overall health. It's packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and iron, which are crucial for maintaining a healthy body. We'll combine beetroot with refreshing cucumber, tangy ginger, and a dash of lemon juice for a truly revitalizing drink. Cucumber adds a hydrating element, making this juice even more refreshing. And a dash of lemon juice for a truly revitalizing drink. Lemon juice not only enhances the flavor, but also provides a good dose of vitamin C, which is great for your immune system. Ginger adds a nice little kick, giving the juice a spicy undertone that complements the sweetness of the beetroot perfectly. While lemon juice helps balance out the earthiness of the beetroot, making the drink more palatable and enjoyable.
I absolutely love this beetroot juice. It's not just tasty, but also incredibly beneficial for my health. It's my go-to after a long run or a tough workout. The nutrients in the juice help replenish my energy and aid in muscle recovery. The combination of beetroot and ginger really helps me recover and feel refreshed. Plus, it's a great way to stay hydrated and keep my body in top shape.
Our third recipe is a taste of the tropics with this pineapple and cucumber juice, a match made in juicing heaven. This delightful blend brings together the sweetness of ripe pineapple and the refreshing coolness of cucumber, creating a drink that's both delicious and nutritious. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which aids digestion and can help reduce bloating. This enzyme is particularly effective in breaking down proteins, making it easier for your body to digest food and absorb nutrients. We'll blend fresh pineapple chunks with cool cucumber, ensuring that every sip is packed with flavor and health benefits. The cucumber adds a hydrating element, making this juice perfect for staying refreshed. A handful of spinach for an extra nutrient boost, providing essential vitamins and minerals like iron and vitamin K. Spinach also adds a subtle earthiness that complements the sweetness of the pineapple, and a squeeze of lime juice for a touch of zing. The lime not only enhances the flavor, but also adds a dose of vitamin C, boosting your immune system.
This pineapple and cucumber juice is perfect for a hot summer day, offering a cool and refreshing escape from the heat. It's like a tropical vacation in a glass, or when you're craving a sweet and healthy treat. The natural sugars in pineapple satisfy your sweet tooth without the need for added sugars. It's light, refreshing, and incredibly hydrating. The high water content in both pineapple and cucumber helps keep you hydrated, making it an excellent choice for post-workout recovery. Plus, it's a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth without derailing your weight loss goals. Low in calories but high in flavor, this juice is a guilt-free indulgence you can enjoy anytime.
Fourth on the list is a zesty lemon and ginger juice that's here to fire up your metabolism and awaken your senses. We'll combine freshly squeezed lemon juice, known for its detoxifying properties, with a powerful kick of ginger, which aids digestion and can help boost your metabolism.
This juice is best enjoyed in the morning on an empty stomach to maximize its benefits. It's a great way to kickstart your day, boost your immune system, and feel energized. Plus, it's a great alternative to your morning cup of coffee.
And finally, we have a delicious carrot and apple juice that proves healthy can be sweet and satisfying. This juice is not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a powerhouse of essential nutrients that your body will thank you for. We'll combine crunchy carrots, which are great for eye health, with sweet and juicy apples, a source of fiber and vitamin C. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body, promoting good vision and a strong immune system. Apples, on the other hand, bring a natural sweetness and are packed with antioxidants that help fight inflammation.
A squeeze of lemon juice adds a touch of tanginess and helps to preserve the vibrant color of the juice. Lemon juice is also high in vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and enhances the absorption of iron from the carrots. You can enjoy this carrot and apple juice any time of day, but it's especially beneficial as a midday snack or after a workout. The natural sugars in the juice provide a quick energy boost, while the fiber helps keep you full and satisfied. It's a great way to replenish electrolytes, satisfy your sweet cravings, and give your body a healthy dose of nutrients. This juice is not just a drink, it's a delicious and nutritious way to support your overall health and well-being.
Thanks for joining me on this juicing journey. I hope you feel inspired to try out these delicious and healthy recipes. Don't forget to try these recipes and let us know your favorite in the comments below. See you next time.